This is a brief demonstration of AECOM's EZRetrieve 2.0, which is a powerful retrieval solution for AECOM's EZContentManager as well as Microsoft SharePoint. What is EZRetrieve? It can also be referred to as a screen scraper, but it's a tool that allows users to quickly access documents from either EZContentManager or Microsoft SharePoint sites with a simple hotkey combination or by creating OCR masks of fields in applications. Once it's invoked, it will automatically launch a web browser, log in as the specific user, and perform a search based on the field chosen in the application that the user's in, and retrieve documents on screen. And this can be done by either full-text searches or keyword searches. Some of the benefits of using EZRetrieve: you can use this from almost any desktop application, whether it's a Windows application or a 5250 emulator for the System I. You can create user-defined hotkey combinations as well as user-defined masks for retrieving documents. This eliminates steps for launching EZContentManager or Microsoft SharePoint, and you can quickly retrieve and distribute documents without having to leave your host application. It also improves customer service and employee productivity. EZRetrieve runs in the taskbar, and it can be configured to retrieve from either EZContentManager or Microsoft SharePoint. From EZContentManager, you would simply put in your URL, and from SharePoint, again, you would put in your URL and what site you're hoping to access. You can choose a hotkey combination for either EZContentManager or Microsoft SharePoint, and you can also create mapped windows. What the mapped windows does is it creates an OCR mask on a certain field on the screen, and I'll show that to you in just a minute. What I'm showing you here is Microsoft Dynamics GP, and this is the vendor maintenance screen. So maybe I'm a customer service agent and I'm on the phone with a vendor, and the vendor would like to receive a copy of a previous invoice. Okay, so what I've done is I've created this little icon here, this little magnifying glass on this child screen here. And what I've done is I've created a mask around this vendor ID area right here. And I would like to be able to search from either EZContentManager or SharePoint. So I simply click on this button, and what I get is an option here that I've already created the vendor mask for in either EZContentManager, or I've designated this one as SharePoint. So let's search on the vendor ID in EZContentManager. And what this is doing is it's eliminating steps of having to open up a web browser, log in as my specific username and password, and perform a search. As you can see here, it has pulled up 3 documents that are invoices related to EZRetrieve2, which is exactly what was on this vendor maintenance screen here. And I can perform the same search in SharePoint. Again, it's eliminating the step of me having to open up a web browser and log in and do a search. It's as simple as that. If you'd like more information on this, please send an email to info400@aecom.com or call us at 800-603-6768.